Hello everyone, I am Mark Anthony L. Desalia, a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management student at the University of Northern Philippines. For this video, I'll be sharing all the knowledge I had gained on the introductory part of my subject, which is the BAFPRED or the fundamentals in predictive analytics. Last September 27, 2021, our instructor introduces the said course by giving us an overview of business analytics, and she discussed also the analytics life cycle. In our last meeting, October 4, 2021, she continued to discuss the remaining topic which she had talked about the predictive analytics. First, we defined business analytics as a scientific process of transforming data into insights for making better decisions. So here we have a raw data which we transform that data into insight, and this would help every business or organizations to make a better decisions. In business analytics, we will be using analytical tools to transform data into insights. One of the well-known tools being used by the most companies is the Microsoft Excel. This would help you transform data context like graphs, charts, and etc. We also defined business analytics as the extensive use of data, statistical and quantitative analysis, explanation, predictive modeling, and fact-based management to drive decision-making. A survey by Thomson 2004 suggested that business analytics tools can help to generate faster and more accurate reporting, improve decision-making that can improve customer service levels, and improve profits. We also discussed the analytics lifecycle, which consists of 5 processes: connecting to data, preparing the data for analysis, building analytics content, analyzing automatically and manually, and lastly, collaborating and sharing the insights. The reason why we use analytics lifecycle because if we rush analytics, we might just crush and burn. I know you don't want to spend a bunch of money on analytics without business school you are trying to achieve. First, we need to connect all the data. This data would came from different sources, whether from spreadsheets and functional systems or data warehouses, that these resources need to be made available for the business intelligence tools or analysis. After connecting all the data, we have to prepare now for the data for analysis. Data in real world is dirty. Data might have errors or quality issues. To ensure the quality of data for analysis, it needs to undergo to the so-called data pre-processing. Through this process, you can merge multiple data sources and incorporate data sciences models as well. When this is complete, your data will now be stored in a new set of tables and ready for the next step. Once the data is prepared, it is now possible to begin creating reports, visualizations, and dashboards. Once reports and dashboards had been deployed to end users, those people will use it to analyze the business on a day-to-day basis. Manual analysis is the process which end users to use to uncover insights from data discovery. This includes using filters, drill down, and drill through functionality. Finally, the discovered insight would now ready to share or collaborate to others. Collaboration may occur such as through sharing a piece of content, commenting, annotating, a visualization, or creating stories or presentation. It is by collaborating with data that new questions get asked, and that drives the development of a new content requirements, which starts the analytic life cycle again. Lastly, we also discussed the predictive analytics. Predictive analytics means understanding the future, providing insights into what will happen, and includes what-if scenarios and risk assessments. Tools required for predictive analytics can include data mining techniques, artificial intelligence, statistics, and machine learning. Some of the events that predictive analytics may address includes customer attrition, customer conversion, online purchase patterns, product adoption, and customer online behavior. Customer attrition is the loss of customers by a business. Attrition rate shows how a company lost customers. To calculate the rate, you simply divide the number of customers has lost during a specific time to the number of customers had at the beginning of time. Customer conversions occurs when someone changes from passive visitor to an active interested visitor or customers. Buying patterns refers to why and how behind consumer purchase decisions. Product adoption is the process of changing a product to meet the needs of customers in a market other than one in which it is made. And consumer online behavior is the process of online shopping from a consumer's perspective. The term predictive analytics describes the application of a statistical or machine learning technique to create a quantitative prediction about the future. Predictive analytics starts with a business goal to use data to reduce waste and to cut costs. The best examples companies using predictive analytics in real life or real time is like the grocery stores. Grocery stores uses data from loyalty cards, ongoing promotions, and historical purchases to offer coupons for items you are likely to buy in the future. Also, predictive analytics applied to specific behaviors or customers browsing websites enables delivery of a personalized experience. Predictive analytics optimizes business processes and reduces operational costs. It deepens the engagement of customers and enhances the customer experiences in order to identify new product and market opportunities as well as reduce risk by anticipating and meeting problems before they occur. And predictive analytics can also be applied in some industries like energy and utilities, financial services, food and beverages, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, transportation, marketing, and travel. We had witnessed already how business analytics is. Business analytics becomes power tool in today's marketplace. Across industries, organizations are generating vast amounts of data, which in turn has heightened the need for professionals who know how to interpret and analyze that information. Learning how to recognize trends, test hypotheses, and draw conclusions from population samples can build an analytical framework that can be applied in your everyday decision making and help your organization thrive. As Hammond said, if you don't use the data, you're going to fall behind. People that have those capabilities as well as an understanding of business context are going to be the ones that will add the most value and have the greatest impact. In conclusion, I have gained knowledge that broadened my skill set and take my career to the next level, which is becoming a business owner someday. I know this is just the introductory part, and I look forward for the next chapters of this course. I will gain more. I have learned so much about analytics, from the process, how it works, and why is it important. Predictive analytics means a lot to many industries because of its use. It tends to understand the future and make a better decision making. Lastly, it helps businesses achieve their goals to use data, reduce waste, and save time. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.